Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Rush. Let's dive right into creating your first project. First, open the application and select Create New Project. You can then import your media, whether it's videos, photos, or audio, directly from your device or cloud services. Once imported, arrange your clips on the intuitive timeline, making sure everything is in its proper place for a smooth editing experience. Now, let's master the basics of editing. You can easily trim the beginning or end of a clip by dragging its edges, or split a clip into two separate segments with a single tap. Don't forget to adjust your audio levels for clarity and consider adding some background music to enhance the mood. Finally, add smooth transitions between your clips to ensure a polished and engaging flow for your viewers. To truly make your video stand out, let's explore enhancements. Adobe Rush offers powerful color correction tools to adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, giving your footage a professional sheen. You can also add dynamic titles, text overlays, and engaging motion graphics to convey key messages. Experiment with the wide array of filters and effects to give your video a unique and memorable style. You've created an amazing video, and now it's time to share it with the world. When exporting, you can select your preferred resolution, such as 1080 pixels, and frame rate, like 30 frames per second, for optimal quality. Choose where you want to save your final video on your device. Adobe Rush also allows you to directly share your masterpiece to popular social media platforms with just a few taps, reaching your audience effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.